tonight is as Yemen Night, so we're doing a night for our brothers and sisters in Yemen. And then tomorrow's Congo.
If anybody wants to have some more, wait till everybody's finished, and inshallah you can go and see in the kitchen, because I think there'll be some extra, inshallah. Yeah, so please, anybody wants to have extra, please go ahead to the kitchen.
When we ask you to support Yemen, you're not only doing it for the love of the orphans and the widows, but you're doing it for the love of the Prophet ﷺ.
Assalamu alaikum everyone, Jazakallah khair to the entire team. He who does not thank the people does not thank Allah. So we're very grateful to have this opportunity to raise amazing funds, amazing amount of funds for the people of Yemen, whether that's widows, orphans, the destitute. As we know, there's up to 1 million orphans in Yemen, up to 24 million need humanitarian assistance. And alhamdulillah, you know, when I come here today, if I can raise enough money just to sponsor one orphan, I've done my job. In fact, let me backtrack. If I can come here today just to raise awareness of the forgotten people of Yemen, alhamdulillah, we've done our job. So my dear brothers and sisters, wherever you are, please spread this message wide and far. SabaRelief.org. Please get fundraising, share with family and friends, and help raise the next generation of our ummah. Jazakallah khair.
A good friend of mine is a former professional boxer,
Okay.
and now he runs for charity.
Okay.
And he came to me and he said, I want to do something for Yemen.
Excellent.
Unfortunately, we've already done it, and I chose a different charity. But if I'd known before, or in the future, inshallah, if he comes to me and says something for Yemen, today you've inspired me for it to be this one. Saba Relief.
Correct.
Right.
Thank you so much. That's amazing.
And Yemen is in so many people's hearts. We got a clip of you speaking earlier. I've been a Palestine supporter as long as I can remember. And when you support Palestine, some people try to come and say, well, what about this? What about that? And there's a lot going on. There's many people we could help, as you could say. But we often don't hear about Yemen. Well, it's certainly not in the mainstream media. Why is Yemen the what about that doesn't get the publicity, would you say?
It's a really good question. First and foremost, we stand with our brothers and sisters in Palestine. There's no doubt about it. The entire ummah needs support. Alhamdulillah, we're here as Muslims. You know, we're an ummah. If we feel one part of the pain in the body, the entire body feels pain, right? So we're there to help. Now, the people of Yemen themselves, subhanAllah, it's almost like a forgotten famine. It's a forgotten nation. And it's not just, you know, we're talking tens of thousands of people or even hundreds of thousands of people. We're talking millions of people. It's such a big country itself. There's so many different areas, different parts. SubhanAllah, the people are blessed. Like I said, there's 24 million people that need urgent humanitarian assistance. You know, it's very easy to brush it under the carpet. We don't hear it in the mainstream news. We don't see it trending on social media. And sadly, we are very quick to jump on trends when it comes to the latest TikTok trend or the latest fashion. But when it comes to our history, our own people, when it comes to when I say our own, I'm referring to the people that the Prophet ﷺ taught us about wisdom is from Yemen. You know, understanding of religion, you know, to the nearest meaning I'm putting in my own words, is from Yemen. You know, subhanAllah, the soft-hearted nature of these people. So the Prophet ﷺ has praised them so much. And why is it that we often forget them? You know, we love the Prophet ﷺ, we want to be close to the Prophet ﷺ. And this is one of the ways, inshallah, that we can get close to him. And it's a no-brainer, really. The Prophet ﷺ said that he who supports an orphan, you know, to the nearest meaning would be like this in paradise. And there's up to 1 million of them in Yemen. And subhanAllah, it's just £25 a month. That's all we ask for the orphans, inshallah. So please don't forget the people in Yemen, inshallah. Jazakallah khair.
Thank you. I appreciate it.